Oh my god, guys. I just almost was attacked by one of the scouts. Welcome back to yet another video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Yoshi and you can join me on a creative adventure full of cool series, videos about photography, videography, gear reviews and much more. Recently Instagram announced that it's not only a photo platform anymore and it's more going to focus on video, and Reels are one of the major things about that. So today we are going to create a reel together. Actually, I have two examples for you, simple and easy examples, and you can even execute them using only your smartphone. You can see I'm walking around in this grazing area, and just upon arrival I got attacked by one of these cows. I really had to run. I hope they won't be too aggressive as I'm walking here with my red jacket. But anyway, we will see about that. The most popular reels are those who are having some information in them. Something like a tips and tricks video or a tutorial, but a short format one. And that's exactly what we are going to create. So what I'm going to do is use my smartphone, snap a photo, edit it in Lightroom. This can be Lightroom Mobile or Lightroom on your desktop computer, which is Lightroom Classic. And then all we are going to do is show the before and after. If you want something more informative, you can also play around by showcasing the settings of your camera or your smartphone, or show how you did the editing as well. Now as the sun is setting, the light conditions might be a bit more difficult, but I'm going to try and record my first reel. And for that I'm going to use my self timer of my smartphone, put my smartphone on this wooden walkway you can see behind me, and I'm just gonna step into frame, creating a beautiful effect. Because of my red-orange jacket, I will really pop out of the brownish colors of the trees of this forest. So that's gonna be the first photo I'm going to snap, and then in the reel I will show you the before and after. This was the first example of showing a before and after photo basically, and this also showed you how I create my selfie photos using my smartphone or my camera. It's a bit trial and error, but the final results are always really nice in my honest opinion. Now, as you clearly can see, it's almost dark, the sun already did set. I'm going to try once more to enter the grazing area. I really hope that the cow doesn't attack me again. What I already did show you right now in my video was some behind the scenes footage of how I snap my photos. And basically this also covers the idea of my next example for a reel, showing you some behind the scenes footage of taking a photo by yourself. So basically what you're gonna do is you film yourself while you're snapping a photo, and then that you will upload as a reel on Instagram. Okay, And I'm lucky the cars are all gone. Maybe I should try a selfie photo again with that line of trees in the background. With my orange jacket, this is gonna be really cool. So I'm going to set up everything again, and then I will try and snap some final photos for my last reel example. And the benefit of shooting a reel is that I can show you all the results over on Instagram. So if you're not following me right now, now is the time to start following me on Instagram. And our little friends are slowly approaching again, so I hope I won't be attacked. And I guess this is the bull, so I'm not going to come too close either. And that's it, guys, for my BTS reel. So 2 simple ideas, really easy to execute using your smartphone only, as you've seen in my video. So don't overthink it, guys, just start shooting right now. With that being said, the only thing that rests me to say is that you don't need to be great to start, but start to become great. See you in the next video. Bye!